Here's everything you need to know about building your very first app with ChatGPT, even if you've never written a single line of code before. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact steps, the prompt you need, and how to get your app running locally on your computer. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. Flashback just a few years ago, if you wanted to make an app, you either had to learn programming languages like Python, Java, or Swift, or you had to pay someone to build it for you. It took weeks or even months. But today, thanks to AI, you can create a working app in minutes just by describing it in plain English. That is the power of ChatGPT. Now let's start with the basics. You don't need a paid plan for this tutorial. Whether you're on a free version or ChatGPT Plus, the process is the same. The key is knowing how to write a clear and detailed prompt. Here's the exact one we're going to use for this demo. First, tell ChatGPT its role, then describe exactly what you want it to build. For example, type this into ChatGPT. Write a Python script called wellness_ui.py and use tkinter to create a window. This is a diet and fitness planner, so it should plan meals for the whole week as well as specific exercise to achieve the end goal. Add boxes for the current height, weight, age, and body type, as well as the weight and body type that the user wants to achieve. The results should be downloadable as a PDF. Then show a photo for each exercise. Now the app should open with 3 buttons. The first one should plan weekly diet, which opens a meal planner with the details earlier. The second button should plan a workout that generates exercise with photos. Then the third button should show train now, which lets users to choose which part to work out on, like upper body, arms, legs, chest, or even full body. Just hit on enter and let ChatGPT do the work for you. Now here's where the magic happens. Instead of giving a few random lines of code, ChatGPT will generate the entire app, everything from the user interface to the logic that powers it. In a few moments, you'll have a complete Python script ready to run. When it's done, copy the code and paste it into your Notes app and save the file as wellness_ui.py. Make sure that when you're saving, you select all files so it doesn't just save as plain text file. And just a quick tip, create a separate folder for this project so it's easy to find later. Now before we run it, we need Python, and if you don't already have it, no worries. It's completely free. I'll drop the download link in the description down below. Once Python is installed, press Window then R on your keyboard. Then this tab's going to pop out, and there paste the command to install tkinter. Tkinter is a library that lets Python create windows, buttons, and text boxes. Basically, it makes your app interactive. Once that is installed, navigate your project folder, run the file, and you'll see the brand new app open onto your desktop. From there, you can test out each button, input your data, generate a weekly planned meal, and a personalized workout, then save everything as a PDF. All this built in minutes with ChatGPT. This is just the beginning. The same method works for almost anything you can imagine. If you want a budget tracker, a daily planner, or a flashcard study app, just change the prompt. The more detailed your instructions, the more advanced your app will be. The real power here is not just that you're coding less. It's that you're turning your ideas into a working software faster than ever before. What used to take teams of developers can now be prototyped by you alone in a single afternoon. So the big question is, should you try building an app with ChatGPT? Absolutely. Even if you've never coded before, it's one of the fastest ways to learn how apps are built while actually creating something useful. And if you're already a developer, this process will speed up your workflow and free you up to focus on design, features, and polishing your project. And that's it for today's deep dive on how to make an app using ChatGPT. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.